The SITA Science Line T100 is our most powerful tensiometer to measure the dynamic surface tension. It has 3 dedicated modes. Auto mode automatically scans surfactant dynamics from 15 milliseconds to 100 seconds. Online mode measures continuously, for example to study temperature influences. And single mode checks the surface tension quickly and reliably for defined parameters. Frequently used measurement methods and concentration characteristics can be saved on the instrument. The software SITA Lab solution automates measurement procedures easily, even in combination with other laboratory instruments, and generates detailed comparisons and reports. Because of adapted capillaries, the applications include almost all liquids, for example product formulation, development or quality and process control. The long bubble lifetime of up to 100 seconds extends the application to even the lowest surfactant concentrations. If you want to know whether the SITA Science Line T100 is suitable for your application, please contact us for further details. We look forward to hearing from you.